Hello everyone. Today we got a Dell Chromebook. We will show you guys how to install the Ubuntu in this system. To install Ubuntu in this system, we will use SanDisk pen drive to insert the Ubuntu. The model number is P22T. Now set up the basic settings for Ubuntu. Follow each and every steps shown in the video. Select Install Ubuntu. Keep the battery charged while installing Ubuntu. Create your account to proceed the installation. Select the country, India, in the world map. Now tap on Install. So, our operating system is installed. Now we will install all the inbuilt applications. After installation of applications, as we can see, the system is working properly after installation. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Then do subscribe our channel. We will meet you in next video. Till then, bye-bye.